Picture this: your solar plant, a testament to sustainability, stretching its roots for 25 years. But as employees come and go, as maintenance vendors shift, the one thing that shouldn't change is the integrity of your documentation. The FutrOS Document Management module liberates you from the burden of manual document handling. No more lost files, no more confusion, just seamless, efficient management. This revolutionary module centralizes and digitizes your documents, creating a virtual vault that safeguards critical information. Whether it's maintenance records, contracts, or personnel details, the Document Management module provides instant access to essential data. Effortlessly access historical records, track warranty expirations, and make informed decisions, all with a few clicks. The Document Management module empowers you with data-driven insights. Predictive analytics help you optimize maintenance schedules and improve overall plant performance.